How to fix Redmi Note 13 music failed to play tracks error. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time, like that. Now swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, open settings and then scroll down and click on apps and then click on manage apps and search here music. Now click on music. Now click on storage. Now here you can clear your music storage. After clear your music storage, then go back to your home screen and open Play Store and then search here power ramp. Now first of all install this power ramp. After installing this power ramp, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.